Here are 5 ways to get your shit straight starting today. Firstly, it is important that I emphasize the importance of getting up early, getting a head start of 99% of the population. You see, most people love sleep a little too much, so your goal should be to get up before the rest of the people get up, to get to the grind as early as possible to get a head start on 99.9% of the population. And what better way to start it also with a good breakfast. Secondly, you must practice the art of planning in advance. You see, by keeping a simple journal or a simple to-do list, you get a head start of 99% of the population. Your tasks are ranked from most important to least important to prevent time wastage. It's essential that you focus on the right things during the day, things that will take you forward in life, and not things that 99% of the population do. The third and very essential thing that we need to do to get our shit together is have a healthy breakfast. Have a nutritious breakfast, because your body needs all of that fuel for your mental capacity, your physical capacity, and to take you forward in life. To be on the journey to success takes a lot of time and most importantly takes a lot of energy. So you want to make sure that your body is fueled up for the entire day, that your body and your mind is ready to take you forward. Now, of course, as we know, there's nothing wrong with expressing a bit of personal hygiene every now and then. How we look and how we present ourselves in public is what people think of us. People have this idea about you just by looking at you. And if you do not look after your cleanliness and if you do not look after yourself, how are people going to respect you? And most importantly, you have to ask this question. How are you ever going to respect yourself if you feel and look like absolute dog crap? Make sure you freshen up and look nice. When you walk into a room, it's all about making that first impression, and it's all about making that impression of I'm here to succeed, I'm here to take myself forward, and no one can tell me otherwise. I will do it. Fourthly, it's very important to consider your attitude. A positive attitude and a positive mind attracts positive things into your life. And whether you believe in manifestation or not, it is essential that you realize that positivity is the name of the game, and it will forever be true in every sense of the word. Now, you guys know I couldn't have lived this one out. Exercise and physical activity not only makes you feel great, not only makes you look great, but it prepares you for the day ahead. You see, exercise releases all of those feel-good endorphins. You get a boost of energy, your mental capacity is sharper, and overall you feel like an absolute champ. Make sure you incorporate at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your day for the best results. Always remember that taking yourself forward in life is a conscious decision that you need to make. You need to make the decision to not be average. You need to make the decision to stand out, and you need to make the decision to express enough discipline in your daily life to take you towards your goals.